Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. We're going to talk to you a little bit about wheel bearings, specifically Subaru and their rear wheel bearing design. We just replaced a couple wheel bearings here. Let's take a look down here. In order to get this bearing off, you're going to take the caliper and the rotor, and then you're going to be left with something that looks like this. And there's some people will say, well, that's simple. There's only 4 bolts that hold it in from the back, but you'll never get this out by pulling it. You can't even do it with the silver slapper. We had to go to the big 5-pound double hand slapper, and when you hammer that out, sometimes you're left with just the balls, and these are the bearings, and on the other side there's another set of balls and bearings, and that holds it together like that, and this piece goes in like that, and this turns and allows your wheel to turn. When you have a bad bearing, it'll seem like you're going down a runway in Cuba in an airplane, and the faster you go, the louder the noise goes. Urban Automotive, safety first.